Louder, please.
Firstly, I would like to state my opinion about this topic. There are something that I think can improve someone's speaking ability or speaking in English, either by learning for free or for me. There are plus points and minus points for that to use. Either one you want to choose. For example, if you want to choose study English, okay, you will become more aware of what have you given for paying for that learning English. You pay campus, you pay money, a lot of money for that, so you will direct more effort toward learning that. On the other hand, if you learn for free, you will consider learning English not so important because free. So you tend to be negligent about learning English because it's free. It's in my opinion. And then the second plus point, you pay to learn English, you will get more knowledge because you pay to learn English via or through professional. You go to campus, you go to the course, very good deal amount of money to get English, able English fluently from professional. On the other side, or on the other hand, if you learn English for free, like this, for example, this is for free, right? You just pay for it, or just go Dutch. And then it's either you can give someone from professional. For example, there's no professional here, so you'll get less knowledge. Yeah, because for free, usually there's no professional who wanna join. The third is, if you study English, you pay for studying English, you will get face with you will get more knowledge by reading book. You're facing teacher directly, and then read the correct book. The correct book, the correct handbook that is advised, suggested by professional. But if, on the other hand, if you go this for free, you will usually not get professional advice to learn English strategically or in order, in sequence to learn English from beginner until advanced. I think that's all estimate for me. Thank you. Question.
Dan con mi caro amico por fidi mia filmon kai mi konalo mi caro amico mi tre bon gusta kai mi te interesa por multa popolo e la tamundo mi caro amico por fidi mia filmo mi caro amico mi bolas aldonas en la YouTube kai aldonas en la mia Facebook con mi caro amico mi tre mi tre bon gusta kai mi tre interesa por la popolo bon follow subscribe mia video mi caro amico mi tre amas por mi amico Chitie popas porali la ang limpo kai la araba limpo kai la hispana limpo dan kon por video mi film neko jis la video mi tu ji
Receive.